Good evening, folks. Eli at Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4. Tonight I've got for you an absolutely stunning and very rare Audi RS4 limited edition. This is a 2015. They made only a small number of these limited edition RS4s with some fantastic options that you don't get in a normal RS4. We sold one of these actually just recently, and there was that much demand for it. When I saw another one, I snapped it up because they are absolutely fantastic cars. Naturally aspirated V8 with nearly 450 horsepower. It's a superb bit of kit, and something that is going to be much sought after in the future, I should think. So this one is in pearlescent grey. It's done just over 44,000 miles, and it is immaculate. The previous owner or previous owners have absolutely cherished this baby and looked after it like it's a little baby. So going around the car, got those fantastic wide haunches at the back, filled by those huge 19-inch wheels. These are all shot in Pirelli P0s, and they've all been recently replaced, so they're excellent. And these are actually the GMP Italia wheels that are specifically made for the RS4 with a 9J offset to fully fill those wheel arches, and they look fantastic in my opinion. You won't see another RS4 with these on. They're very, very expensive wheels. But yeah, they look great. They're all immaculate. You've got the red calipers with the RS logo on. All the brake disc and pads are good all the way around. So you've got the satin aluminium roof rails and window surrounds and wing mirrors. Of course, you've got the essential panoramic roof. I mean, this car's pretty much got every option that you could get. Even on the limited edition, there were still some options, and this one's got it. So it really is a fantastic spec. Look in my description to see the full specification. There's not a mark on this car. It's that good. You can see there the brake discs look really healthy, as do the Pirelli. Sorry, these are 20-inch wheels. Apologies, I said 19s before, didn't I? These are 20s with 265 30 20s at the front. Moving around to the front, not peppered in stone chips or covered in scratches. It's in beautiful condition. Really, really nice example. This one's got the adaptive cruise control and lane assist. There's the radar for the adaptive cruise. That's a fly. Absolutely gleaming. What a stunning motor. Fantastic colour scheme as well. No ridiculous colours on this. Got the lovely Daytona grey with the two-tone grey interior as well. This one's got the dynamic pack, sports exhaust, mag ride, so you can adjust the suspension, the engine sound and noise. You've got the power tailgate, got privacy glass, the boot liner in here as well. You've got the advanced key with a keyless entry, exit and start, the carbon fibre interior trim, Audi exclusive interior with the grey leather two-tone with the dark on the armrest with the contrast stitching. Got the Bang & Olufsen sound system, RS4 entry sills, and then the two-tone Audi exclusive leather, Napa leather interior. Got heated seats at the back as well as the front. Got the panoramic sliding roof. Got the carbon, as per my pictures, you'll see it's actually got carbon inlays on the engine, in the engine bay. And then again, much of the same around in the front doors. You've got the carbon, the leather, power folding heated, auto dimming wing mirrors. Nice option to have. Obviously power windows and tailgate, Bang & Olufsen. And these fantastic bucket seats in the two-tone grey leather with the diamond quilted stitching, and these ones have got the power lumbar support and power bolsters as well there, which you can see the adjustments on the seats. Look fantastic. Got the RS4 flat bottomed steering wheel with the gear shift pedals, carbon trim, aluminium pedals, auto lights of course. This one's got the adaptive cruise control and lane assist I mentioned earlier, Audi braking guard and various other assistance systems, automatic dual zone climate control, heated seats, reverse camera, engine stop start, and then obviously this controls your drive here, auto dimming rear view mirror, and then obviously your sliding panoramic roof controls is there. Everything's immaculate. The car comes with everything as you'd expect it to. We've got 3 keys, 1, 2, and then the valet key. We've also got the code tag, which is very important. All the book pack, all the service history. Everything's there as it should be. You've got the connector here for your phone, and then the slot there to put your phone in, the little net. If you want to connect your phone up with the Audi MMI. If we look on the systems here, obviously it's by pressing these controls here, so you can go to the main menu, and of course you can scroll through all the different options. You've got Audi Connect, navigation, etc. But going to the car, next oil change, you can see nothing's due. It's all been done. Everything's exactly as you'd want it to be, because everything's been done already, which is great. Driver assist, so you've got the speed warning, parking aid, adaptive cruise control, the braking guard, active lane assist, rest magnetation, rain sensor, so loads there. And then of course you can mess about with the vehicle systems if you wanted to as well. You can see there in the individual you can actually control or change, I should say, or alter the gearbox, suspension on the mag suspension. It's got the dynamic steering as well, so that can be altered. The sports diff, which you get on the limited edition model, the engine sound, so all that can be changed if you wish to your own preferences. That is pretty much it, folks. So that is our Audi RS4 2015 limited edition. We do offer nationwide delivery to your door, so if you want it an enclosed trailer or flatbed trailer, costs vary between £1.50 and £2 a mile, depending which ones you want. And then we do of course offer warranty nationwide, starting at 6 months, and we of course also offer fantastic finance packages to suit you. So if you want interest only, if you want PCP, lease purchase, hire purchase, we'll tailor something to suit your specific requirements depending on your circumstance. So give us a call if you'd like to discuss this car any further. You won't be disappointed. If you want an RS4, this is a superb example. I only try and source the very best, and I think you'll be very, very happy with this RS4 limited edition. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Good night.